I know I'm a little sweaty, but if mama want lobster for Mother's Day, guess what? She gonna get lobster for Mother's Day. If she want it on Christmas, she can have it for Christmas. But listen, that's how mama about to be eating right there. This one for me.
All right, now get your charcoal, get your wood chips, get your black gloves, and heat that grill to 400 degrees. And remember, the full recipe is in the description below. And here's your shopping list. You got Old Bay seasoning, black pepper, paprika, and then you got your red potatoes. Mine are already cleaned and washed up. Then next, you got the zest of 1 lemon, and you got 2 lemons sliced up right there. Then you got some fresh chopped parsley, and then you got some fresh garlic. I did about 3, maybe 4 garlic cloves, all right? And then you got some Kerrygold salted butter. Yeah, I'm using salted butter today. Then I got some plain salt just in case I need to bring the flavor up a little bit. And 2 beautiful large lobster tails. They're 1 pound each. All right, now let's make magic. So the first thing you're gonna do, when that water is hot, well, first get yourself some water, get it on the grill, get it nice and hot. Once it's hot, then you can toss your potatoes in. It don't have to be boiling because you don't want it to boil over on the grill. And then you're gonna salt your potatoes and you're gonna let these cook until they are tender. When you can take a fork and stick it inside of them and they're tender, then they're ready to go. And then we'll take them off and get the water out later. So let's go now to our sauce, and we're gonna start preparing that with 1 stick of butter. We're gonna go ahead and begin to season this up. And at any point, people, if I'm going too fast, just rewind it, watch it again. YouTube even lets you slow it down, okay? So now I'm gonna get just about half of that garlic in that pan, and the other garlic, I'm gonna save that for later. So now I'm gonna get that in the pan with that lemon zest. And remember, we're using the zest of 1 lemon, and then we're gonna season that up, and we're building flavors. That's always the objective here. We're building flavors. So now I'm doing about a tablespoon of that Old Bay seasoning. So now you can do as much or as less as you like, and then I'm hitting it with that paprika. Yes, you can use smoked paprika if you want to. And then also you got that neutral flavor oil, and if you know me, you know I'm using that avocado oil. Now get that on the grill, get it a stir, and then once it comes to a boil and we've cooked that garlic down and it's not raw anymore, then we should be good to go with that. All right, now close the lid down and we're gonna season our lobster tails and also get them prepared. First, let's prep them. So now what we're gonna do is we're using a knife to go ahead and cut these in half, and you can see I'm cutting it just above the tail. And I'm gonna take that knife and cut all the way down to the front and open it up. I chose to do it with a knife because I know a lot of you guys use kitchen shears, and some people just may not have a pair of kitchen shears. So with a knife just above the tail, open it up down to the front, and then this one is already clean, so I'm just gonna remove those fragments of that shell and just get them out the way, all right? Because we don't need that. Now, next we're gonna go ahead and start seasoning our lobster tails, and we're gonna generously season it, okay? Now remember, it's gonna be to your taste buds, to your liking, so keep in mind, we're building flavors. I want you guys to rely on your taste buds and not always a measurement, because remember, a recipe is nothing but a guide, okay? Now, we're gonna hit that with some neutral flavor oil right now. That's to make sure that our lobster tails are not sticking, and they're gonna give you some nice little color on it once it hits that grill as well. And then now we're hitting it with the paprika. It's just for color. That's all it really is for, okay? And then from here, we're going directly to the grill. Now, we're gonna cook our lobster tails on the grill. They won't take long, people, okay? These nice sized lobster tails are gonna take probably about 6, maybe 7 minutes at best, okay? Sometimes it might take less. That's how long it's gonna take my grill. Now that my potatoes are done, I'm gonna go ahead and get those out. And let me come back to those lobster tails again. Depending on the way your grill is set up, the cooking times may vary, okay? Worst case scenario, 10 minutes on the grill, but typically between about 5 to 7 minutes, okay? So now that those potatoes are done, we pour the water off and we're gonna pour them back into the pot. And we're gonna go ahead and get that butter in there. Oh yeah. Get all that butter in there. And then now we're gonna go ahead and get our garlic in there, and we're gonna get our parsley in there as well. Now with your potatoes, we're gonna season them with just salt and pepper. That's it. Now I know earlier you saw that fresh thyme, but I decided not to use the fresh thyme And that's only because of the people that's going to be eating it. They're not fans of thyme. So I'm going to keep that out. I remembered once they got here, they didn't like thyme. So that's the only reason why I'm omitting it. But if it was just for me, it definitely would be in there. All right, so now I'm gonna hit that with some black pepper and go ahead and get it a nice little stir. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let those stay on the grill and begin to just kind of cook the garlic down a little bit, because you know garlic don't take long. My pot is already still hot pretty much from when I had it on the grill earlier boiling the water, and I just hit it with a little extra parsley because I like a lot of parsley in my potatoes. Now, after cooking my lobster for about 2 to 3 minutes on this side right here, I'm gonna go ahead and swirl it around in that butter, make sure it's generously tossed in it, and I'm gonna put it face down on the grill to get some color. Now, my neighbor said he had to pull up on me. He said, because he could smell that grilled lobster all the way down the block. Now, the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take those lemon slices, we're gonna pop those on the grill for about maybe like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, just to get some color on them. And once you got that color, they good to go. And then if you got any value, subscribe.
I know I'm a little sweaty, but hey, it's Miami. It's hot. That's just what it is. But if mama want lobster for Mother's Day, guess what? She gonna get lobster for Mother's Day. If she want it on Christmas, she can have it for Christmas. But listen, that's how mama about to be eating right there. This one for me. But when the garnish look like this, you can't let this go to waste. You gotta do it. Now, a lot of you may not have ever had grilled lemons. Now, we all know lemons to be really tart, of course, but when you grill them, all of that tart just, it brings it down and it makes it nice and sweet. So this is what you get when, let me make sure I'm in nice and focused. This is what you get when you get that lemon splashing on that. That's what you get. I want it all on there. All that. Now, I hate to do it to you all, but these potatoes, I've been fiending for them. Oh, hot. Wow. And they are incredible. So, simple ingredients, that's really all you need. Like I tell you all the time, cooking is a labor of love. Don't complicate it. Now, of course, I got to do this lobster, but I got to hold the plate in one hand as well. So I'm gonna try to work this out. Now, I'm gonna pull that lobster out. Hopefully these flies don't get me. And your lobster, if you cooked it right, it should just literally come out just like that. You shouldn't have to fight, you shouldn't have to tug. It should be an easy little pull just like that. Take my word for it, you gotta try it. Until next time, thank you for rocking with me. Like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already to Cooking with ReyBae. That's how we getting down over here, y'all. Until next time, peace and hair grease. Peace. Do I got another lemon on this grill? Wow.